Excluding cover points from the total coverage. When you use cross coverage in a cover group, sometimes there will be a scenario where you are interested only in the final cross coverage and you are not interested in looking at the individual coverage. Or another way, you had specified the individual cover points in order to specify cross coverage in a nice way. So in this case, you can exclude the coverage, the individual cover point coverage by using the weight option. So we will see an example here. So in the same example that is of previous slide, there are two cover points which is ADDR range and data range, and there is a cross coverage between ADDR range and data range. Now assume that you are not looking, or in the final simulation you are not interested in looking at what is the coverage of these two. You have listed or you have created these two cover points only to create the final cross coverage and to simplify your problem of writing coverage. In that case, if you wanted to exclude these two coverage specifically, you can give the option named weight is equal to 0. So this is an option specific to a cover point or a coverage bin. So you can give this weight is equal to 0 for this cover point and for this cover point. So these two coverage will not be counted in the final coverage report, and only this cross coverage will be covered because it is given with a higher weight. So here you should give a weight other than 0. So only this will be counted in the final total coverage. This summarizes the cross coverage definition session, and let me point you one important thing here. Again, you should always remember when you specify a cross coverage that all the cross coverage individual cover points or variables are sampled at the same time. So you should be considering about the scenario as this coverage group named ADDR range and data range are sampled at every positive edge of clock, which is a sampling instant of this cover group. Or to put in words the meaning of this cross coverage, this coverage will create or count the scenarios where at any positive edge of clock the ADDR value, the address ADDR variable is hitting a value which is null range listed here is 0, and the data value is hitting a null range value 0, and or at any positive edge of clock the ADDR value is hitting a value 0 and the data value hitting either 1, 2 or 3, or at any positive edge of clock the ADDR value is hitting any value between 1 to 1, 3, and data value hitting a value between a value 0, or at any positive edge of clock the ADDR variable hitting a value, any value between 1 to 1, 3, and the data value hitting a value between 1 to 1, 3. This is how you should always consider the cross coverage, and you should always keep in mind these points when you create scenarios for cross coverage. Also remember that when the individual cover point in the cross coverage listing is using an array of bins, then every element in that array bin will be crossed with the other cover point bins.